With an eye on the future, Suffolk Public Schools is building successful students each and every day. We are literally building success for our students by constructing 2 new schools in northern Suffolk, both set to open in September 2018. The new Florence Bowser Elementary School will house 1,000 students in a more contemporary learning environment. The new middle school, built for 800 students, is intended to alleviate overcrowding at John Yates Middle School. Designed to be future-ready, both schools have open areas for flexible, project-based learning activities. Technology is a big part of our world today and will be an even bigger part of our students' future. That's why Suffolk Public Schools heavily invests in infrastructure and hardware, putting technology within easy reach of all Suffolk classrooms. Close to 11,000 laptops, tablets, and new Chromebooks throughout the division increase the diversity and depth of our opportunities in our classrooms. Technology energizes learning and opens doors for our students. As a savvy user of technology, our division is ahead of the curve, maximizing Google's education software. All Suffolk students from 3rd to 12th grades use Gmail and collaborate on virtual projects, while teachers manage online assignments with Google Classroom. It's dynamic, it's engaging, it's instantaneous. It's a new world in Suffolk classrooms using technology. Let's take a look. 5th graders review math skills using a web-based survey. Student responses guide this teacher's lesson. Beyond math, she points out helpful test-taking strategies. Using technology in classrooms increases students' confidence with online standardized testing. Best of all, students have fun learning. This 8th grade teacher uses a different web-based tool to review English concepts. Seeing their own scores leaves no question about which areas to study before the test. Friendly competition motivates students, as classmates challenge one another to try harder. And the tech buzz does not stop with our students. Our staff loves to learn how to put technology to work in the classroom. Staff members teach each other best practices and new ways to leverage technology to help students. We're building a strong network of super users. Suffolk Public Schools adopts proven and progressive teaching strategies. Project-based learning is effective because it puts academics into action. Students create solutions to real-world problems to show mastery of content while developing other valuable skills. It's a win-win. Lessons are effective and memorable. Take a look into these classrooms. Acceleration, velocity, and friction come to life when students build a model roller coaster. Working in teams, students collaborate, offering their ideas while applying engineering and physics concepts they've learned. Wedges, pulleys, and wheels and axles take center stage as 3rd graders build creations with simple machines. Using their own hands and their own ideas, students show they understand rather than just answering questions on a test. Students use the scientific process to build, test, and rebuild their designs until they work. Even kindergartners benefit from taking action with project-based learning. After reviewing the letter R, these 5-year-olds create robots using recycled items. Critical thinking, math, and reading skills come together during this creative lesson. Project-based learning is stimulating. Students learn from one another by working in teams. It helps our students build an array of skills needed for college, career, and life. How better to equip students for the future than creating Aspirations? We inspire students to find their path to college and career. Middle school students can try out more than a dozen career tracks through exploratory classes. In high school and at the Pruden Center for Industry and Technology, students sharpen their skills and interests. Some earn industry credentials to jumpstart their careers, while others get a sense of direction for college. Let's see what our students are doing. Solving design flaws just got a little easier. High school students make prototypes using the latest innovations in manufacturing, a 3D printer. Creating 3D projects introduces students to state-of-the-art manufacturing methods. These 8th graders learn about the engineering design process while applying strategy, civics, and math. Working in teams, students practice valuable workforce skills like team dynamics, communications, and work ethic. Challenging Suffolk students with academic rigor also inspires them to reach for the stars. Our 3 specialty programs, International Baccalaureate, Engineering, and Biomedical Sciences, offer students intensive learning experiences. Students master content and solve real-world problems. Along with more than 65 demanding advanced placement, dual credit, and honors classes, these courses strengthen Suffolk students for college and career success. Let's take a closer look. IB students use catapults to prove the speed of a falling object. Projects like these test their skills from different academic areas. Students in the engineering program solder electrical components like resistors and diodes to a circuit board. They learn how the components connect and combine to create a working circuit. Students in biomedical sciences show their proficiency with college-level laboratory skills as they analyze DNA. Comparing experiment results within the class highlights the importance of good scientific techniques. Suffolk Public Schools graduates are tech-savvy and career-ready problem solvers. From kindergarten to graduation, our students are challenged to develop the skills they will need to become the next generation of thinkers, communicators, and leaders.